Today I'm cooking a simple minced pork omelette with just 6 ingredients. This is a quick fix for a fast meal or a quick side dish for the family dinner. Let's get started with breaking 5 eggs into a large mixing bowl. I like to break the egg in a separate bowl so that if any of the egg is bad, it will not contaminate the rest. Alright, all the eggs are all good. With a hand whisk, beat the eggs until smooth and even in color. Add 100 grams of minced pork, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1/8 teaspoon of pepper. Next, use a fork to mix all the ingredients until well combined. Alright, it is done. Leave it aside. Place a stainless steel pan on the stove. Switch on the heat to medium. Add 30 ml of cooking oil. Spread it around the pan and allow it to heat up. If using a non-stick pan, I recommend pouring about 10 ml of cooking oil only, as the non-stick coating is enough to prevent the omelette from getting stuck to the pan. When the oil is hot enough, it will appear to be quite runny. Once the oil is hot, scoop a bit of eggs mixture and spread it on the base of the pan. Allow it to cook for about 15 seconds. This prevents the omelette from sticking on the pan. Okay, now we can pour the rest of the eggs mixture into the pan. The bottom side of the omelette takes around 3 minutes to cook. Separate the edges of the omelette to ensure that it does not stick onto the side of the pan. This makes it easier to flip it later. Scoop some of the still wet eggs mixture and spread it all around the side of the pan. This makes the omelette thinner and cooks it faster. Check if the edges of the omelette to see if it is cooked. Alright, now to the rest of the omelette's edge to ensure it's fully separated from the pan. This should be good. Use 2 spatulas to flip the pork omelette. And continue to cook for 3 more minutes. Lightly lift the edges of the omelette and push down its middle to cook evenly. After 3 minutes, check if the pork omelette is cooked at the bottom of the pan. Yes, this looks good. The omelette and minced pork are beautifully cooked and golden brown. I am flipping it one more time as I want to show the most beautiful side of the omelette for plating. This is totally optional. Alright, it is beautiful. Remove the eggs from the pan with 2 spatulas and place it on a serving plate. Switch off the heat. Cut some spring onion for topping. I am using just a bit. This is optional as it is for garnishing. Alright, our simple minced pork omelette is ready to be served. I recommend enjoying it while it's still hot for best taste and texture. Look at the thickness of the golden brown omelette. Let's eat! The soft omelette is lightly fluffy, while the minced pork is tasty and chewy. It goes well with gravy dishes and curries. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed the video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye!